Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make poster on Canva. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you just click on a search box icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can write the poster like this. And now in here you can see many templates for the poster that you want. Okay, please waiting. Okay, in here you can see many poster that you want to use. You can search the poster that you like. Maybe I wanna try to use this one, so you just click on it. And after this, if you wanna change the text, it's so simple, so you just click on the text. Okay, so you just click on the text, this one, click on it. And maybe you wanna change for like this, and after this change beautiful like this. Oh, city. Okay, and after this you can click this icon and click download for download your poster. After this you can click on download this one and finish. So that's how to make poster on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.